though too. I know that. They better be getting it good, girl. They're so pretty. I love that black and that pink. This one is so pretty. Why say small 6'6" though? Why does it say small 6'6"?
That's what a 6'7" is. Small. He just said it.
I love these. They're so cute. That little girl can't fit in nothing, but she's too tall. The heavy can fit in there. Look, Nick, she's tall. This is small 6. Now she probably could wear these. 6, 7, 8. Yeah. A 7, 8. Yeah, Walmart got these children's tights on sale for $1. It's in the shirts on sale for $1. Look at these. Oh, hot. They don't have a jacket. Wow. You probably have to go to City Tree and get him a jacket. You probably got to go to City Tree for their clothes. You better be hurry up. Because here they don't have one. It's 5:17. You know they closed. They ain't got nothing in here. They just got men's jackets over there. Unless they over there. Oh, they go. That's all they got on. I don't think. I think these men. Let me see, King. They just got men. They just got men. They ain't got nothing but men. a 2-piece around then, damn it. You gonna be around that mother. 5-7-20, 5:30. I just said that. Have to go get some fruit, y'all. Got some fruits. Some granola bars, yeah. Some nuts. I need some water. You see some water? Yeah. You're not gonna bad influence me. She want her soda and I want my water. It's gonna be water for me. Oh, my blackberry. Kids still gotta go to school. I'm tired, y'all. Well, we out today. I'm tired, King. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I am. How are you? Good. Little boy. Don't cover my water. I ain't gonna cover it. Only ones I bought, so that's why I bought with them from. I haven't had spam since I was a little. Yeah. Spam and eggs and cheese used to be so good, though. Yes. Yes. You probably have memories then.
Yeah, I don't like it that much, but it tastes the great value tastes as good as the regular.
Okay.
And it's a little less salty. And it's about $3.
Yeah, because spam is salty.
Yeah.
Now you trying to leave me little snacks.
Take care, lady.
You too. Thank you. Oh, you still hit the thing. Excuse me. This bigger. Huh? I don't know. I'm just putting it back right here. Can't fix?
Yeah. And she said, yeah, you can buy another. You would stop her saying, this is like $800.
Shit.
It's got the new brand.
He gone back to see it again. Hey. Oh, this is a coffee.
It's
Oh.
2,500.
We part no money. Over here. You got the key. You better say boop boop. Yeah. No. We parked where? We parked right. I thought we parked right here somewhere. Where that, bitch? Oh, I know we parked right here somewhere. I remember walking up. I gotta go to my house. I mean, your house, put all my stuff in there.
I ain't washing dishes.
Hey, Devon. You ain't watching. Man, this is a nasty move. Yeah, I'm like, why not? Now, you just say you couldn't watch.
When I came home, it was stinking.
Nick, that don't make no sense. It's 6 days after New Year's Day. God, that was creepy, wasn't it? Oh my God, somebody help her.
I watched all the other dishes. Just like, oh, that's why I need a struggle. That's why I ain't watching. That cheese must come out.
Man, this girl supposed to be washing my stuff since Christmas. It's been New Year's. I don't want them. I hate eggs. Thanks for the heart.
You know what?
Mm-hmm. You ever try to steal my groceries? No. Ooh, that's the stank. I hate that smell. King. Kingston. Come on. Come on, I'm gonna have to get in the car.
He get up. He just is smiling.
You just want somebody rub on that bald head. You just want somebody rub on. You got look at all the candy. Ooh, look at all the candy. Who gave you all that candy? Look at all the candy, God. Look. Oh, wait. Let me stop throwing that food. Your fault, ain't no.
Yeah, ain't my food. They don't make it.
Oh, you better eat it?
Yeah, I mean, the chicken for the
Can you open the door?
Yeah.
Oh, give me the key. Shit, I'm waiting for you to open up.
Go get in the car with your grandma. Let me take the bucket back.
Damn, who is that? Do the star dance.
He just be blind, don't tell no.
Okay, let me